Hello and welcome back to Clastify Tutorials. I'm Gabriel, and today we're gonna get a closer look into a topic that I know many of you are curious about. Does my IA topic have to be unique? So, let's get right into it. Right guys, here's the deal. You don't need to stress over picking a mind-blowing, never-seen-before topic for your AA. I get it. You all want to impress examiners, and while picking a common topic, you might be worried that something very similar has already been done before, but hey, you will not avoid it. Every year around 400,000 people do the IBE diploma program, so the possibility that the topic of your choice has been done before is very high. And we heard it directly from our users. They were also worried, asked us for advice, and you know what? In the end, they chose some pretty standard topics like vitamin C titration or yeast activity based on pH, which is all fairly common, right? But guess what? It worked, because it's way better to write about something that you feel and have the knowledge about than writing about something unique just because it's unique. Here's the actual twist. The topic is just a tool. It's not as relevant as focusing on nailing each criterion, having the necessary knowledge to write about the chosen thing, following our tips online and including them in your IA, and reviewing your coursework if needed. And that's how you'll secure a 7 in any IA, no matter if it's a standard level or a high level. The main big idea is, it's totally okay to have a standard topic as long as you ace all of the other aspects. Now, we all know that writing a good AA is a process. You can't finish the whole thing in a single day, but there are some fast tracks which will definitely help you. For instance, on Clastify you can check our marked examples or even send your IA for review. This will speed up the process for sure. And again, I want to share one important thing here. Stressing over a groundbreaking IA idea isn't always necessary. The most important part is that you choose a topic that actually suits you. This means that you have the knowledge needed, feel confident about it, and the topic is interesting for you. This also makes it much easier to score for personal engagement. What's more, a so-called standard topic means choosing sanity over unnecessary stress. You will still perform well without putting yourself through IA-induced chaos. So if your schedule is tight and stress levels are high, it's absolutely fine to go for something nice and easy. Let me put it this way. A common topic with a great content is so much better than a unique topic with the average content. To wrap it up, your IA topic doesn't have to be unique. Choose what feels right for you, and most importantly, meets the criteria seamlessly. It will not affect your grade, if written properly of course, and you won't end up in prison for plagiarism. You're here to succeed, not to exhaust yourself over chasing that elusive, perfect IA topic. Trust me, you'll be all well in the so-called ordinary topic. I hope you found these insights helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also turn the ring bell on and follow the Clastify Tutorials series for more valuable tips. Leave us a comment below of your thoughts, and see you next time!